Greetings everyone. Welcome to the Ragni Learning Institute. I hope you all are fine. Most of the beginners think that using MS Office is convoluted. Therefore, I am providing you a short tour or info about MS Office including Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So have a look in Word file, click File, then you can see different kind of options such as Info, Save, Save As and there are many more. Even if you want to change your templates for presentation, then you can go into more templates, then choose as per your presentation requirement. Then there are different kind of tabs. Each tab contains different options. For example, in home, you can see you can change the size, you can give color, alignment, and many more things. Similarly, if you go into the insert, you can add chart, page number, header, footer. Similarly, in design, there are different type of watermark. You can give page background, then layout, references. Here I have added Zotero and Grammarly. These are the extension. If you need it, then you may add it. It's valid and it's free for everyone. You can add your extension from Google Chrome. Then view, and there are many other options. Then we have Excel. Excel is very amazing tool if you know how to use it correctly. For example, if you go to file, then you will see the similar options like in Word, save, save as, print, share, export, and many more. You can see here, home, insert, draw. In home, you can see we have conditional formatting, sort and filter option. These are the editing options. And then you can add the chart, edit the chart, make the chart. Then we have draw, page layout. A main thing Excel perform is formulas. It's very difficult for us, for you to make changes immediately. So through formulas, we can add more and more changes immediately. If you have data above 500 rows, above 500 column, then you can deal all things at a one time. Then we have data, review, view options. So Excel is very famous and important tool because it provides us formulas and makes things easier. And then we have PowerPoint. It is renowned tool to make PPTs. Even you can record your presentations. Here, click File. You can see similar option like in Excel and Word. Save, save as, print. Here, you can add more themes for your presentation. Go back. You can check Home. Click here and you can see all options are activated. You can add new slide based on your requirement. Then shape, arrange, shape fill, shape outline, and many more. Go and insert. In insert, you can see pictures, screenshots, album photo. You can pick from your Google Chrome or you can pick from your downloads. Then we have design, transition, and animations. These options are used to control the flow of information and target the audience focus. Then we have slideshow, record, view, review, help, shape format, and many more options. I will upload the lectures of all these three tools one by one in detail. For now, thank you for learning with Ragni Learning Institute. Like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.